Hi everyone, this is Jackie of Jackie's Antique Mall on Brown, and I like to make wood signs out of reclaimed wood, barn boards, and that's what I have right here. Just a piece of reclaimed board. It's pretty rough, but one of the challenges of making these signs is trying to do them with vinyl. And many of you know these boards, they'll have indentations, nail holes. It has a rough texture. So I was very excited when I saw this product called Peel-Tek. This is the Crafters Edition, and it's a masking fluid. Let's see if I can get that so that you can see. And what it will do is I'll be able to make my signs without the use of stencils. And so this product, it is non-toxic, eco-friendly, and acid-free. There's no odor. I wanted to show you the texture. Hopefully you can see that. And it's kind of a yogurt texture. So what we're going to do today is make a wood sign using this product. So what I have done is painted this board black. You'll want two colors, two contrasting colors for your sign. My letters will be black, the sign will be white. So what I did is I just printed out what I wanted my sign to say on a piece of paper, right out of my printer, created it in Word, and using graphite tracing paper and a stylus. Stylus of your choice. I traced this onto the board, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but we are going to paint the Peel-Tek on there. We will let it dry. Once it's dry, we're going to put a coat of white chalk paint. We're using chalk paint today. So once the white chalk paint has dried, what we will do is peel the Peel-Tek off, and that will leave the black letters. And I'm going to paint today with my hand lettering brushes, and I really love using these. Gives me a little more control as far as how we do this. So let's get started. Move this out of the way, and we'll begin. And it doesn't have to be perfect. We don't want, or I don't like for my signs to be absolutely perfect. I like the rustic look. So I'm just laying it on there like I would painting. I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and then I will come back. Okay guys, so I have finished painting on the Peel-Tek product over my tracing. And what I'm going to do now is let this dry for about 5 minutes. And I'll go wash out my brush. This is water-based, so if you wash your brush before it dries, you'll be just fine. So I'll be back in a little while after this dries, and then I'm going to paint a coat of white chalk paint over it, and then we'll peel off the Peel-Tek, and we'll see how this turned out. Thanks, guys. All right, what I did is I painted a coat of white chalk paint on top, over top of the Peel-Tek, and I started peeling one of the letters. So I wanted to show you how that works. So basically, and what's nice is, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see where the Peel-Tek is. That will reveal, that's your mask. So we're going to peel off the Peel-Tek, and look how easy that comes off. And you just keep peeling. And I think I might have wanted to go a little thicker with the Peel-Tek, but it's a learning process. But look how easy this comes off. And it took about, I'll say, 5 minutes to dry. And then, of course, chalk paint takes no time to dry. So I'm going to finish peeling this off, and when I come back, I'll show you the finished product. Okay, so I finished peeling off the Peel-Tek, and I really love how this sign turned out. I really love the rustic look of it, and it peeled off. It took me all of 2 minutes to peel the Peel-Tek off. So I may go in and distress this a little bit with some sandpaper, and then put a clear coat on top, and then this will hang probably in our bedroom. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Again, the product is Peel-Tek. Masking fluid. See if I can get that to focus. There we go. And if you would like to get some and try it out, it's Peel-Tek.com, Peel-Tek.com. You can also get this on Amazon. This is the Crafters Edition, which it's a smaller container. You don't need a whole lot. I may have gone thicker on this, but actually I like how it turned out. I love that rustic look. So let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, like I said, you can comment below. Thanks everyone for watching, and have a great night. Bye-bye.